Good morning, everyone. What's up, guys? Welcome to this video review. Today I want to talk to my male friends who do need a little help in increasing their sex drive and also increasing their testosterone levels and helping them out with their masculinity. So if you guys realize that you do need a little help, a little push in the correct direction, you need to stay right there because I want to talk to you about this amazing natural supplement today that was created especially for all you guys out there who are lacking on energy, on testosterone levels, and things like that. So it's about time to talk about Alpha Tonic, and I want you guys to see how amazing this supplement is and how it's going to truly help you out. Before we get started, let me just quickly mention that I already left Alpha Tonic's official webpage just here below this video. If you go there, that's the only place you can purchase it, but you are also going to be able to read the list of their full ingredients. You're going to see other men's feedbacks, the story about it, and so much more, which is just amazing. So visit this link after you finish watching this video, okay? Guys, Alpha Tonic's a highly bioavailable powder formula that will basically get absorbed into your body and your cells super quickly. All you do is simply mix 1 scoop of Alpha Tonic in a huge glass of water, or maybe like your favorite beverage. But hey, not beer, guys. Definitely not beer. And then all you do is just enjoy it. Sit back while your body is being infused with powerful nutrients that will help you to support detoxification, boost your testosterone levels, increase your sex drive, and boost your physical and your mental energy. So it's amazing because you have a lot of benefits in a natural supplement here. Basically, the potent combination of natural plants, of herbs, and vitamins inside of Alpha Tonic has a 1-2 punch effect. So firstly, Alpha Tonic will support your body and your strength in a world where man's masculinity is basically under attack. And then secondly, it will supply your body with the right nutrients so that you can naturally support your testosterone levels to like optimum levels. And guys, this is something that is 100% natural. So it has no GMOs, no synthetic additives, it has no side effects, no contradictions. It is completely safe for you to take. I mean, Alpha Tonic is compromised with all the ingredients that a man needs in order to boost his testosterone levels. We're talking about ashwagandha, boron, panax ginseng, vitamin D, maca root, along with so many other natural ingredients. So as you have already realized, it's 100% natural, meaning that it's safe for any men out there to use it. And guys, this is helping so many men all over the world to have more sex drive, to have more testosterone levels, to feel so much more younger again. So this, was created for the betterment of all men out there. And what I personally find amazing is that the manufacturers give you a 180-day money-back guarantee. So if you need a refund for whatever personal reasons, you can request all your money back on the official webpage. But I doubt you're going to be needing that because every single man out there who uses Alpha Tonic, they're having incredible results. They are so satisfied, so happy with it. So I know that you too are going to be. Now, it's time to bring back your testosterone levels, your manliness, your masculinity. So visit Alpha Tonic's official webpage, all right? Thanks for watching, guys. Have an incredible day and see you all soon. Bye.